Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to build a stunning website or an online store, you have probably heard of Squarespace. In today's video, we are diving into a burning question. Does Squarespace have an app? In a world where mobile access is everything, having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference. So, can you manage your Squarespace site on the go? Let's find out. Now, the answer is yes. Squarespace has a mobile app available for both Android devices and of course for iOS users. Alright? Now the thing is, if you download any of these apps on your mobile device, you can simply create, edit, and manage your site's content including blog posts, product listings, and images on the go. Alright? You can also receive real-time notifications for order updates, form submissions, and other important activities on your site. Now, I'm switching over to my mobile device and I'm gonna show you how to download the Squarespace app using the Google Play Store. Now, from here, all I have to do is click on install and wait for it. Now, while loading, just wait for it to load. It's gonna set up in a short while. Now, once it's installed, you can make quick edits to your site's design and layout directly from your mobile device. You can share content and updates easily on social media platforms. And from here, all you have to do is click on open. This app is a very convenient way to manage your Squarespace site without needing to access a desktop or a computer. Alright? And all I have to do is log in using your account. And you can continue with your Google, continue with Apple, and continue with Facebook. Alright? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.